Hello everyone, it's me Sanjay here. Warmly welcome you all for this 30 days data science masterclass series day 2. And I hope you guys are super excited for this day 2 session. If you all really excited about it, all the people just post super excited Sanjay in your live chat. First of all, before going for the session, I really wanted to tell you that today's session is going to be majority on hands-on session. And I hope you guys are really excited for the hands-on. If you are really excited about the hands-on, you just post super excited Sanjay in your live chat. And also very important thing, I really wanted to know how many of you people have missed the day 1 session. If you have attended it, you just post attended Sanjay in your live chat. If you have missed it, you just post missed in your live chat, because the day 2, which is day 1, which is gonna be a completely clarity session where I've given you a lot of clarity on AI, and we guys have discussed about the hierarchy on AI and data science, and then we guys have explored the machine learning or deep learning, and we guys have explored about the data engineering and data analysis and data scientist, and we guys have explored about the it's like machine learning or deep learning, and we guys have explored about how to search for the job roles and those things with the help of the chat GPT. I've shown you. I hope you really enjoyed the day 1. If you really enjoyed the day 1, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. So first of all, I really wanted to congratulate the people who have enrolled for the 3-month online internship yesterday. So great congratulations for those people who have enrolled for the 3-month online internship yesterday. Because what is the important happy news is offer letter has been sent to you guys. Yes. So we guys have sent you an offer letter. Those people who have received it, you just post received it Sanjay lecture. I think majority of the paid participants might left this live because they don't want to attend the 7 p.m. live. So instead they can just attend, go through their courses. So other than that, those people who have enrolled, offer letter is being sent to you guys. Please check your email if you are here. But other than that, those people who wanted to know about this 3-month online internship, you just post I wanted Sanjay in your live chat. And another very important thing, while talking about the prerequisites, this series doesn't require any prior knowledge. The series is completely from the scratch. And also, you might require a laptop for practice. Even though you have a no laptop, no problem. You can just take a notes. And also, whenever you are getting any questions, you can note down all your questions and you can ask all your questions at the end of the session. And while talking about the disclaimer, this is a 30 days free masterclass series. Every day the live will be conducted, but no recordings, and minimum 25 days of attendance is required to get the free participation certificate. Even though you have a 24 days of attendance, you won't get the certificate. So minimum attendance requirement were around 25 days. So that's a very important thing. So that only you'll be receiving a free participation certificate on this, data science. And also, this is the screenshot of payment failures yesterday. A lot of people tried to register for the 3-month online internship yesterday, but they can't able to get into it because a lot of people tried and a lot of payment failure issues. So likewise, there are a lot of issues which has been faced by a lot of people. So that's why I have a happy news. We are extending the same 3-month online internship on AI and data science with a lifetime validity at the same price of 1499 with a lifetime validity. If you really love this offer extension, you just post love this Sanjay in your live chat, where you will get 5 courses and 75 plus project source code and material, and lifetime private social media and unlimited weekend live sessions and 5 individual internship certificate, and lifetime and also some Saturday live sessions, and also 3-month internship offer letter, 3-month internship certificate, and also some bonus live session like freelancing, resume building, finance, goal setting, interview skills, and etc. Everything which we are providing at just rupees of 1499 with a lifetime validity. So those people who haven't made the decision, make the decision right now. My team have shared the link in the live chat. I hope you really love this offer extension. So yes, this is what the complete bundle, not only this 30 days recording, additionally like the complete 5 courses, complete recording with a lifetime validity, and all the project source code, PPT, mind map, dataset, trained model file, everything with the bonus live sessions, everything which is included in this very affordable one-time payment of bundle 1499. So those people who really wanted, my team have given the link in the live chat. You can just click the link and register for it. And now, if you are ready for the technical part of the session, you just post ready Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Are you guys ready for the technical part? If you are ready for it, you just post ready Sanjay in your live chat. Because yesterday we guys have discussed about the data analysis stuffs. Those people who have missed the day 1 session, I really wanted to cover it up by using this today. So while talking about the data analyst, whenever you are talking about the company, there is one strict rule that the company should not make the company can't make any emotional decisions. The company should always make a data-driven decisions. On talking about a data-driven decisions, if that company are opening a simple data like this, they can't make any decisions. But if the people are really seeing this data in the format of this, company can make the decision. So this is what the dashboard is, and this is what the role of data analyst, guys. If you are clear about the data analyst, you just post clear DA in your live chat. So while talking about this, as a company, you really wanted, as a data analyst, you really want to convert this type of data into this kind of amazing, good looking dashboard. So this is what the role of data analyst, guys. Are you clear about the data analyst? If you are clear about the data analyst, you just post clear DA in your live chat. And because just see in this data, from this data, you can't get any insights. But if you are seeing this dashboard, you can see the total sales when comparing with the previous year, and quantity, orders, customers, and customer demographics, and top 5 and bottom 5 products, and cities. Likewise, you'll be getting the huge bundle, this kind of dashboard. Like this is what the role of data analysis. So now let us directly jump on to the hands-on session, guys. If you are ready for the hands-on, you just post super ready Sanjay in your live chat. This session contains 2 parts. One part which I'm going to cover it right now, and another part which has been covered for the intent participants. Okay. So while talking about the first thing, here you just imagine my company just came to me and they have given me 2 data. One is 2018 data, another one is 2019 data. So likewise, my company have given the 2 data. So on talking about the 2 data, so here I have 2018 and 2019. So while talking about this, I've opened this data in my laptop, so we can just see the sample data, how it really looks like. Okay, so just look out this, guys. So this is what 2018 data and 2019 data. So let me show you. Okay, just see this. This is what 2018 looks like, and this is what 2019 looks like. Okay, can you see that? So you just see and tell me what are all the problem you all observing, guys. You just give your comments in the live chat. What are all the problem you are really observing? So you just see this live and see this chat, see this data, and you just tell me what are all the things you can able to observe. Because as a normal data analyst, as a normal people, you can face a lot of problem. Okay, so that is what this example is. Okay, so in this example, here we have a lot of problems, like here we have missing value. Yes, exactly. A lot of people are giving a correct answer. So which is order ID is missing. There is null data. So likewise, a lot of people are giving an answer. Yes, exactly. So while talking about this data, this is what the problem we have. And even this valuation and name, which is split it up. So that is another problem. And another problem which you are observing is in the value column, which it has RS dot something, RS dot 200, RS dot 900, RS dot 1000. So likewise, we have those problems. So this is what we have the problem in data. And while talking about this, you can look at that. This is 2019 data and 2018 data. So this is what the 2 data we have. So now we are going to do the data analysis, guys. Are you all ready to do the data analysis? If you are ready to do the data analysis, you just post ready Sanjay in your live chat. So first thing what we are going to do is, I hope you all having an Excel. So you just tell me what Excel version you all using, guys. Because to check out the Excel version, you can just open your Excel and you can go to account option. And you can see I'm using 2021. So likewise, you just tell me what are the Excel version you all using in your live chat. You just give your comments in the live chat, guys. Because based on the Excel version, we are going to find out something like, we are going to use something called a Power Query, which is the must known skill for the data analysis. Okay. So all remember the skill which you need to acquire is the Power Query knowledge. So the Power Query, which is very important skill which every people should have. So that's what this Power Query is all about. Okay, just see that. So Power Query, and very important thing why it has been important is because this Power Query which has been used in both Excel as well as the Power BI as well. So that's why Power Query is important. So now why I'm asked you the Excel version is, guys, you just tell your Excel version in the live chat. What Excel version you all using? Because if you are using latest version of Excel, like 2016, 2019, Office 365. Likewise, if you are really using this type of, Excel, like you no need to install this Power Query. Okay, but if you are using the oldest version of Excel, you need to install the Power Query, guys. Okay, so are you clear? So again, I'm repeating you, those people who really want, people who are all using a latest version of Excel, like 2016, 2019, you no need to install Power Query manually. But those people who are all using a oldest version of Excel, you need to install Power Query manually through the link which I'll be sharing with you right now. Yes. Ta-da! So I just shared you the link, guys. It is only for the old Excel users. Okay, I'll give the disclaimer, old Excel users. So only for the old Excel users, I've given you the link. So through that, you can able to install Power Query for your, Excel and those things. So this is what the thing you need to do. Are you clear with this step? If you are clear with the first step, you just post clear Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay? Are you clear? So if you are clear with this, you just post clear Sanjay in your live chat. So yes. Okay, a lot of people are using 2016, 2010, 2021, 2013, 2016. Okay. So likewise, a lot of people are using different versions. That's amazing. But if you are using oldest version of Excel, you should install the Power Query with the help of the link which I've shared you. Please go and do it. So now what we are going to do is, you just carefully remember, I have one folder called dataset folder, which it contains 2018 CSV file and 2019 CSV file. So here, what is the first thing you should remember is the CSV. CSV is a one-off format. CSV is nothing but a comma separated value. While talking about comma separated value, let me show you what is meant by that. I'm going to open this data in a notepad. Okay, notepad. I'm just going to open the data in the notepad and you can see, so serial number, comma, order ID, comma, order date, comma, delivery date, comma, and salivation, comma, name, comma, and the value. So this is what the data, so this is what is known as comma separated value. So each and every value which has been separated by comma, that is why this format has been called as CSV, comma separated value. So now I have these two files, 2018 CSV and 2019 CSV, present inside this folder, which is called a dataset folder. So in the dataset folder, I have 2018 and 2019 CSV. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to come out of the folder and I'm going to create new file. Okay. Just right click and click new and click new Microsoft Excel worksheet. And I'm going to create a new file called demo.xlsx. Okay, this is just an Excel file. So I'm just creating one empty Excel, not this one. This is my old data. But this is what the fresh new Excel which I opened. Guys, are you clear? The procedure is simple. Okay, so the process is simple. My company gave me two data. One is 2018 data and 2019 data. And we are going to process this two data from the folder, because I have created the folder called dataset folder, which it has these two files. I'm going to process these two data from a new Excel worksheet. So that's what I've opened, a fresh new Excel worksheet. Up to now, are you clear, guys? If you are clear, you just post clear Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, are you clear? If you are clear with this, you just post clear Sanjay in your live chat. And also just give me a minute, guys, because I forgot my charger. So please give me a minute. I'll be back. Hello guys, I'm just back right now. So now what is the thing is, here we have opened a fresh new Excel sheet. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to acquire the data from the folder. Okay, now you can see I have a dataset folder which it contains 2018 CSV and 2019 CSV. So once you have this file, we are going to acquire these two files from my fresh new Excel. That's what we are going to do. Okay, so to do that, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to select this path and I'm going to right click it and copy the path. So I'm just going to copy the path. Once I copied the path, now I will be opening my Excel, which is demo.xlsx, and go to the data. Okay, data ribbon will be there, guys. Please go and check that out. So data, and click get data and click from file and from folder. Can you see that? Guys, those people who want to note down this step, please note it down. Okay, just note it down, guys. So please note down the step. So what is the procedure is, go to data, click get data from file, from folder. So likewise, you just want to go it down. So if you have noted, you just post noted Sanjay in your live chat. So once you have noted it, now what we are going to do is we are going to acquire the data from the folder. To do that, get from file from folder. I'm going to click that folder and I'm going to paste the path which I've copied, because I've copied the path, right? So that is where we are going to navigate. So it is going to ask the folder where I have that file, that two files. I'm going to paste the path. Okay, can you see that? That is the dataset folder path. This is what exactly this folder is. So I'm just going to select that folder and I'm going to click open. So once you have clicked open, it will process like this. And tada, can you see that? Which is showing you 2018 CSV and 2019 CSV. Both the CSV file which is just shown for you. And once it has been shown, now we are going to click combine and transform. So here, can you see that? There is option like combine and transform. So we are going to click combine and transform. Okay, because here if you are asking me, Sanjay, what is that transform is all about? Transform is the editing, because if your data is super clean, then you can simply load it. But if your data is dirty, like which is having a lot of problem in it, you are going to transform. That is what the editing is. But here since I have two files, 2018 and 2019, and we are going to combine it and then we are going to edit it. So that's what combine and transform is all about. So guys, are you clear about the second step? And here it is going to show you like this. You can click simply and OK. So once it has been done, it is going to open a new window called Power Query Editor window. If you are clear about the second step, you just post C2 in your lecture, guys. So we have not only we have the two files. One is one is 2018 CSV and 2019 CSV. Both the files which I have it in my local directory, and those directory which we have accessed by from the Excel, like get data from file from folder. And once I've chosen, it just asked the combine and transform or not. Yes, we have clicked the combine and transform. So once I've did that, now it really opened both the data which is like it is going to be combined. Can you see that? 2018 CSV and 2019 CSV, everything which is got combined. So source name, serial number, order ID, order date. So everything got combined. So once it got combined, now it is ready to do a data cleaning. And another very important thing, here, whatever the cleaning which you are doing, you can just undo it anytime you really want. But that is not possible in a normal Excel purposes, because if you have modified anything, if you wanted to do the same thing again, it is not possible, because that's it, you have saved it and you can't undo the step. But that can be easily automated, or that can be easily done with the help of Power Query. So on that aspects, here I have a source name column. And what you are going to do is, I don't want any file names and all. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to remove the source name. So that column is not needed. And here we have a serial number, which is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and none numbers. I'm not going to do anything with the serial number as well. So I'm going to right click the serial number and I'm going to remove it. And here we have an order ID. Okay. So while talking about an order ID, you can see that triple X. Okay, can you see that triple X? So while talking about the triple X, it is invalid, right? So it is not needed. So that's why what we are going to do is, we are going to click that certain drop down. And once you have selected the drop down, here there is a scroll bar. You can just scroll to the last and you can see the triple X there. I'm going to uncheck it and I'm going to click OK. That row is being deleted. And I don't know how many of you people have noticed, whenever I'm doing any step, everything will be recorded at the right hand side. Okay, is it clear? So whatever the stuff which I'm doing in the left hand side, whatever the cleaning which I'm doing, every step will be recorded at the right hand side. Look how that filtered rows and everything will be recorded. And even the delivery date, you can see here I have a delivery date. I don't need this delivery date. I'm going to right click the delivery date and I'm going to remove it. That's it. Okay. So now you can see that step which has been recorded in the right hand side, removed column. If I want to undo this anytime, you can do it. So you can just open this Power Query Editor simply, and you can simply click this X mark. Ta-da! Delivery date. That step which you have did is undooed. Guys, is it really easy? Because instead of writing a formulas or instead of not formulas, instead of doing the certain step, and if you have saved it, that can't be reverted back. So that kind of problem, it is all not going to be present in this Power Query, guys. So here again, delivery date came, again right click and remove. So you can see that remove columns that step is got recorded. And here is the place where we really wanted to do something, because here I have a valuation column and here we have a name column. So both the column needed to be merged together. Okay, so here we have a valuation and here we have the name. Both the things need to be merged together. To merge both the things, I'm going to press Control in my keyboard. The first column has been selected and second column has been selected, and right click, and there is an option called merge columns. We are going to merge column 1 and column 2 together. So I'm going to select merge columns. And once I've selected the merge columns, here it is going to show you the separator. In that separator, we are going to choose custom. In that custom, I'm going to put dot. So dot is like mr.a, mr.b, mrs.c. That's what the thing. A new column name, which we are going to keep it as like a full name. Okay. So that is what the new column name which I've created. And I'm going to click OK. Ta-da! Can you see that? Guys, do you really love this? If you really love this, you just post love this Sanjay Neela chat. Because if you are doing it in a normal Excel, you will be writing a formula like is equals to concatenate of a1 comma b1. And once it given the results, you just want to click that plus icon and click and drag and all you need to do. But here you don't want to do such stuffs. That's going to be easily done with the help of this feature. Okay, you can just in the UI itself right click and merge column so that that column will be merged together. So guys, if you really love this, you just post love this Sanjay Neela chat. And once it has been done, now what we are going to do is we will be going for the value column. So in the value column, here I have rs.100, rs.200, rs.300. Okay, so just look out that, which is having the dot in between rs and numbers, which is alphabet plus numbers are there, which is having the dot in between alphabet plus numbers, which is going to be called as alphanumeric. So that's what the data we have. So what we are going to do is, here we are going to right click it. Actually that procedure can be done in many ways. For example, let me select this value and you can go for the option like split column. So you can split the column and here there is a delimiter. So based on the delimiter or based on the number of character or based on uppercase or lowercase, likewise it is going to show you a lot of options. Out of that, I'm going to select delimiter, because delimiter is nothing but the dot which is present in between rs and money, because you can't sum it, right? So if you wanted to do the total sum of value, you can't add it because it is having rs.text and all. So to solve that, here we have chosen a custom and here it is a dot, and you can choose anything, leftmost dot or rightmost dot or center each dot. But here we have only one dot, so I'm going to select simply each occurrences. And if I'm clicking OK, ta-da! Can you see that? This RS got splitted. So you don't want to write a formula by the characters and all. So I don't want this RS. I'm going to right click it and I'm going to delete it. So this is what the column we have got for the amount. So I'm going to rename the column title. So you can just double click it, which is like sales amount. So that's what the name which I given, sales amount. And another very important thing. So here you have an order date column, right? So order date column, which is having date, month, and then year. So that's what we used to have. So what we are going to do is we are going to extract the year from it. So that's what if we wanted to do. So what you can do is you can again right click the order date and you can duplicate the column, because I need date column as well. You can duplicate the column. So this is what the order date which is out there. So now what we can do is in that from that date column, if you want to extract only an year, so that's also going to be very simple. You can do it with the help of split column as well if you want it, or you can go to the transform, because to explore you a lot of concepts. So that's why I'm really doing it in all the ways. Here there is an option like extract. In that extract, here there is an option called last character, because definitely guys, if it is a year, only it is going to be last 4 characters. That's why I'm going to choose last characters. And how many characters it's asking? So 4 characters. And if I'm clicking OK, ta-da! Did you got it? So we guys have got it year. Guys, is it really simple? If it is simple, you just post simple Sanjay in your live chat. So I've given the name like year. That's also been done. And another very important thing, whenever you are really working with the data, you need to worry about the format as well, because order ID, it can be a number or ABC. So it is not going to make any sense. We are not going to do summing and all. So ABC it can be. And order date should be a date. So you can select this icon and choose that as a date format. And this is the year. Year you can have it as like a ABC, because you are not going to do some average of year and all. No, not wanted to do. So let it be ABC. And full name, of course, it is going to be ABC, which is like text format. And sales amount, which is in 123. 123 is okay, but it's a currency, right? So that's why you can just choose it. There's an option called currency. So once you have chosen a currency, this is how we have got. So 100, 200, 300. It's not worry about the dollars or rupees, but now we have changed as a currency format. That's what the sales amount is all about. So guys, are you clear up to this step? If you're clear up to this step, you just post clear Sanjay in your live chat. And another very important thing, what are the steps which you are doing? Everything will be recorded at the right hand side. And now we are going to calculate the tax, okay, from the sales amount. So to create the tax thing, we'll be writing as a normal Excel user, you'll be putting a formula here and you'll be clicking that plus symbol, that box symbol, square symbol, and clicking and dragging and all you need to do. Here you don't want to do that. You can just go to the add column option and click a custom column. And here you can give it like, in a new column name option, you can give it like tax, okay. And custom column formula, you can add a formula like, what is it? If I want to calculate the tax percentage of certain amount, so sales amount, multiples of 18 divided by 100. Okay, if you want to take a screenshot, just take a screenshot. Okay, thank you so much, Rupshri Gunjan, for posting clear. Thank you so much. So now we have dropped like sales amount multiples of 18 divided by 100. And whenever I'm clicking OK, tada, we have got a sales column. Is it easy, guys? Okay. So this is what the sales column we have got. So once you have got the sales column, so I'm going to change that as well as a dollars. Select that and choose a currency. So that is also been done. So tax column is also ready. Now, if I want to calculate the profit, so guys, can you guys anyone tell me like how can I calculate the profit, and tell me what is the meaning of profit actually? You just give your comments in the live chat, guys. Okay, what is mean by a profit? All people just give your comments in the live chat. What is mean by a profit? Okay, Salma, it's amazing, Sanjay. Thank you so much, Salma, for posting that. So what is meant by profit is whenever people are really spending money for marketing or the sales and the company which it made the sales amount or those things. Sales amount minus the money which they have spent for other stuff, that's going to be a profit, right? So that's what we are going to do. I'm going to select the sales amount and tax by pressing a control in my keyboard. So sales amount column has been selected and the tax column has been selected. And go with an option like standard calculation. So in that standard calculation, we are going to subtract 100 minus 18. So, the sales amount minus tax, that's going to be a profit, right? So you can select it and you can click subtract. Ta-da! So 100 minus 18, which is 82. So here I'm going to give the title for it, which is going to be called as profit. Hit enter. Ta-da! Guys, is it really looking good? So order ID, order date, year, full name, sales amount, tax, and profit. So this is what the cleaning which we have did. If you are clear about the cleaning process which we have did, guys, you just post clear Sanjay in your live chat. Clear cleaning in your live chat, guys. Are you clear about the cleaning process? If you are clear about the cleaning, you just post clear cleaning Sanjay in your live chat. So once you have did all these cleaning process, now what we are going to do is we are going to close and then load, because once all the data cleaning process has been done, we are going to close and load. So you're going to click home and I'm going to click close and load. Once you have clicked close and load, ta-da! So all the data which has been cleaned and which has been loaded in your Excel, guys. Okay, which has got loaded in your Excel. So once it has been loaded in your Excel, now you can see the sales amount, tax, profit, which is not looking good. So that's why you can press Control in your keyboard and select all these three columns and go to home and select this drop down and choose a rupee, English India. So guys, can you see that? Is it really clean right now? Yes, it's clean right now, right? So somewhat you guys have cleaned through this way. So now you just carefully watch. This is only for 2018 and 2019 data. So that's what the data which my company gave to me. And for this 2018 and 2019, we have did the cleaning process. And this is how the clean data which is going to be really looking like. Now I'm going to ask a question. Suddenly, guys, your company just came to you. Okay, so your company suddenly came to you and they are telling like you are already cleaned the data. That's good, but now we have got a new data called 2020 sales data, guys. As a data cleaner person, what will you do? Just give your comments in the live chat, because you already did the data cleaning for 2018 and 2019, but now suddenly your company just came to you and they have given you the, what to say, they have given you the new data called 2020. You just tell me, what will you do, guys? All people, just give your comments in the live chat. What will you do if you have got the new data again, because you have already did the cleaning for 2018 and 19? What will you do? So first thing, you need to see like the data format is matching. Yes, of course. But other than that, as a normal Excel user, what they will used to think is doing the process again. So this is what most of the time people used to do. Again, doing the same process again and again, like from the data acquisition, data cleaning, and removing the file name, removing the serial number, removing the order ID, and removing the date, and combining the salvation. So likewise, people used to do this kind of task again for 2020 data. But that's what as a normal Excel Excel users will be doing. But here you don't want to do that. Okay. So here, since you already have 2018 and 2019 cleaned data, can you see that? Which is at 2019, Mr. R, who spent 1,700 rupees. This is what the data we have. So now, as a normal user, you don't want to do the same process again and again. Simply, the shortcut is just copy this 2020 sales data, which your company gave to you now, and put it into the dataset folder. Okay, just I'm putting into the folder because that's the same folder which we have already did the data cleaning. So once you have dropped into the dataset folder, now we are in this data ribbon and click refresh all. Ta-da! Guys, can you see that magic? Yes, it again did the data cleaning for 2020 as well. Guys, is it amazing how many of you really became a fan of Power Query? If you really become a fan of Power Query, you just post super awesome or super amazing Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so just give your comments in the live chat. Isn't it super amazing? If it is really super amazing, you just post super amazing Sanjay in your live chat. So you don't want to do this kind of cleaning process again. So simply by copy pasting the files into it, so this will do the data cleaning again by itself, and it will give you the combined data of 2018, 2019 and 2020. So this is what the power of Power Query. Okay. So now, what if your company is coming with different task, with a different analysis, and with a different huge data right now. So look how that, which is having invoice ID, brand, city, customer type, gender, product line, unit price, quantity, tax, total, date, time, payment, COGS, gross margin percentage, gross income, rating. So likewise, you have a new data like this. So shall we do the data analysis, data cleaning again, guys? Are you ready? If you're ready, you just post ready Sanjay in your live chat, so that now you'll be getting a very clear idea, even though people who didn't understand the previous time, but now you'll understand it clearly. If you are ready for it, you just post ready Sanjay in your live chat. So now I'm creating a new Excel for Superstore analysis. So that's what the name which I'm given. So Superstore analysis.xlsx. So new Excel file which I've created. Now, instead of acquiring the data from the folder, now we are going to acquire the data from the file. Okay, and also this file is very huge, which it contains 1,000 rows of data. So this is the Superstore analysis.xlsx file. So we are going to acquire the data from this file. To do that, I'm going to click data, and here there is an option called from text or CSV. So that is what the option which has been showing. So from text slash CSV. So simply click that. Once you have clicked that, here it is showing you d6.csv, which is your um, cluttered, dirty data which you have. You're going to simply select d6.csv and click import. So once you have did that, what it is going to do is it is going to load you like this and simply click transform, because as I'm already told you, transform which is going to be helpful for doing a data cleaning. So that's what we'll be doing here. So once it has been done, here you can see it just opened your data in a Power Query. Okay. So just see, so which is having an invoice ID, branch, city, customer type, gender, product line, unit price, quantity. So likewise, it's having a huge amount of columns. And you're going to start doing a data cleaning. Invoice ID I need, branch I need, city I need, and format is also good, customer type is also good, gender is good, product line is good. But now I have some numbers to play here, unit price and those things. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to select all these numbers related data, and I'm going to put it in the last column of this data which I have. Okay, can you see that? So I'm going to drop it right now. So this is what all the numbers which I have dropped at the last. And before that, let me check the time. I don't need time, so I'm going to right click and remove it. And here the date, there is a problem. Guys, you just tell me what the problem you are really observing the date column. You just give your comments in the live chat. So what's the problem you are really observing from the date? All people just give your comments in the live chat, guys. Okay, just give your comments in the live chat, guys. What is the problem you are really seeing from the date? Because in the date you have, sometimes it is having a hyphen, sometimes it is having a slash. Okay, can you see that? Sometimes it's having a hyphen, sometimes it's having a slash. That's what the problem it has. But if you are really proposing an idea, like I can change the format like here, it will solve a certain problem, the answer is no, it won't solve a problem. Because let me show you, I'm going to click this ABC and let me click a date. Ta-da! Can you see? Error. So that's why it is not going to be a right solution for right now. So to solve that problem, there is an alternative way, because always as a data analyst, guys, whenever you're working with a certain data, you should be knowing that whose data it is. Okay, whether it's from a certain country or certain region, or what type of currency, what type of date. Because whenever we're talking about Indian date format, which is date, month, and then year. But if you are talking about some other country's date format, which is month, date, and then year. So that's why you should be very aware. So to change or to fix that issue, so I'm going to click ABC and click using locale option. Okay, so click ABC and you click using locale option. And here the data type which is out there, here in terms of data type, instead of data type, I'm going to choose the date. So once the date is being selected, so here it is going to show you a locale. And can you see that English India, which is date, month, and then year. But instead of that, we'll be selecting that I'm going to choose a different country, because based on the data which I have. So I'm going to choose English United States and click OK. Ta-da! Can you see that? Date problem got fixed. Okay, so guys, this the session is going good. Am I really delivering the proper value in a precise way? If it is going sorry guys, I got sneezed. Yeah, this is what the date cleaning which we have did. I hope you are really thinking this session is going good. If it is really going good, you just post GG in your live chat, guys. So date column, the cleaning which has been done, and payment okay, COGS okay, gross margin percentage okay, everything is okay. But the unit problem is there, because the rating unit price, it should be a currency. Let me change just like a currency. And quantity, okay, it can be numbers. And tax, it should be a currency. Let me change it as a currency. And this is for the total sales. Let me change as a currency. Okay, which let me call as like so total sales or something. So that's what we have did. It's not total sales because there is already a tax. So which is like sales. So that's what the column we have. Now, if I want to create a shipping column, I mean, shipping is $10 we have spent or something. So if you want to add the shipping, it can be easily done by going with the add column option and create a custom column. Once you have created a custom column, so here I'm going to create the name column like shipping charges or something. So shipping charges is same, you just imagine it is just $10 or something like that. I'm going to put 10 here and I'm going to click OK. And tada, you can see all the column, all the row which has been filled up with 10. The shipping charges has been created. And I'm going to click that. I'm going to choose as a currency again. So tax, sales, and shipping charges, everything is done. Now what you're going to do is you're going to calculate the profit. I hope you all know how to calculate the profit. Go to add column, click custom column. So to calculate the profit, so here we don't have only single column, we have 3 columns actually, 3 financial columns. So for the new column name, I'm going to give the name like profit. And in the custom column formula, we are going to enter it like, what is it? We are going to enter it like sales minus shipping minus tax. So once I've did that, and if I click OK, tada, you have had the profit column. So that is also, let me change as a currency. So guys, are you clear about this data cleaning? If you are clear about the data clean, this data cleaning, you just post clear Sanjay Nila chat. This is what we have done. And once it has been done, let me go to home and click close and load. Once you have clicked close and load, tada, can you see that? So the data got cleaned, the data got appeared. And even in the last column, in the last column here, you can change the format if you really want it. Like for example, tax. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so the tax, sales, shipping charges, profit, everything need to be a currency, and also it is not an Indian rupee, it is a dollars. Let me choose that and let me select the dollars, and that has also been done. And now I would like to tell you something. Whenever you are really seeing the raw data like this, it's not going to have any ribbon there. Can you see that? But you need to convert your data into a table. That can be done easily. You can press Ctrl T and you can hit OK. So it will be converted as a table. Table design ribbon will be there. But whenever even you are getting your data into a Power Query and getting it out, it is going to be converting as a table. You can see the option like table design ribbon. And also there is a query ribbon. Even if you wanted to change anything, you just imagine here the shipping charge is $10. If you want to change anytime, you can do it easily if you are done with the help of Power Query. Because let me do it. Go to the query ribbon and click edit. Once I have clicked the edit, it is going to open the Power Query again. Is it easy? And at the right hand side, what are all the steps you have did, everything which has been recorded as I've already told you. Here there is a custom column. Let me select the custom column. Okay, it is for calculating the profit, not this. And here there is another added custom column which is 10 rupees. $10 as a shipping. So instead of that, if I want to put 12, I can just change it like a $12 and I can click OK. And finally click close and then load from the home. So this will change as a $12. So that's why I'm telling you guys, if you are really working just in a Excel, if you are really modifying something and if you are, if you are really modifying something and if you have closed it and if you are reopening it again, it won't work well. It is not going to be saved. But instead, if you have did it with the help of the Power Query, you can do any modification anytime you really want. That's one of the features which I want to show you. And second is the table design. So in talking about the table design, you can see there is a lot of features. One is like changing colors, then themes. Very important feature is this one. You can see a total row. Whenever I'm selecting it, what it will do is it will create the one last row for you automatically. Okay, you don't want to do it. So it will automatically create one new row for you. So which is like total row is there. So whenever I'm enabled it, so total row which is got appeared. And here in the profit column, you can just see there is one drop down. So simply click drop down, choose sum. Ta-da! Can you see that? This is the total profit of this company, which is $295,587. And how many money which has been spent for the shipping charges, which is also, let me do as like sum, okay, which is around $12,000. And sales, how much sales we have made, which is also going to be around $322,966. And tax which we have paid is $15,379. And the quantity, how many total quantity we have made it. So you can just choose as again sum. And unit price. So average unit price which this product companies are selling So if you want to find out that, you can select that specific cell and you can change it. So likewise, what you can do is you can just change, or you can just select a certain cell and you can simply play with this. Okay, unit price, average unit price is $55.6, and the rating, average rating, you can select an average. 6.9 is the average rating. Guys, do you really love this feature? Because you don't want to write a formula for it, you can able to easily do it with the help of this table. So that's what one of the important advantage of the table. And another very important thing is, if you are really in this raw data, if you are scrolling down, you can see that first column is getting disappeared. The column title is all disappeared. But whenever you are in the table, if you are scrolling down, you can see the column icon which is properly at the headers. Okay, do you really love this, guys? Okay, and also, I don't know how many of you people realized something. I really don't know how many of you realized something. Now the time is 7:49, guys. Okay, you just tell me how was your experience. Okay, yes, now the time is 7:49. You can see that 7:49, which is, you just tell me how was your day 2 experience, day 2 hands-on experience. Because even though within that 15 minute, we guys have covered the Power Query easily. You just share your experience, like how was it. If you really love this, you just post love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, and also another important thing, whenever you're talking about the recordings, because from tomorrow I won't be there to do a direct interaction, it is going to be a recorded live session. So those people who really want the recording of it, today is the last day to give you an opportunity to get the recording of this, not only this event, additional 5 courses, all the things which is going to be rewarded, given you only today. So we are providing 3-month online internship program, which it contains 5 courses. The first course is a AI course, where you will learn about the chatbot, Python programming, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, AI using cloud, AI using hardware. Everything you'll be learning it, which is around 30 hours of course bundle, which is available in English as well as in Tamil, where you will be building 25 plus projects under this category of this artificial intelligence. This is the first course you will get. And second course which you'll be getting is a machine learning course. While talking about the machine learning, under the supervised and unsupervised reinforcement, you will be building 28 project, which is also a 30 hours of course bundle, which is available in English as well as in Tamil. This is the second course you'll be getting in this price 1499. And the third course, actually all the things together. And the third course which you'll be getting is a data analytics internship course, where you'll be learning about Excel, statistics, Power BI, Tableau, MySQL, MongoDB, Python, machine learning, deep learning, and all, which is also a 30 hours of course bundle, which is available in English as well as in Tamil. This is what the data analytics internship course bundle you'll be getting based on the roadmap to become a data scientist. That's what this course is all about. So this is the third course bundle which you'll be getting in this 1499. And fourth course you'll be getting is a Python course, where you will be learning the Python from the basic to the advanced level of Python. This is what the Python course you'll be getting completely from the scratch to the advanced thing. So that's what the Python course you'll be getting. That's also going to be absolutely free. And another very important thing, which is a deep learning course. While talking about a deep learning course, where you'll be learning about ANN, CNN, RNN, kind of all other different neural networks, and also frameworks like TensorFlow, Caffe, PyTorch, MXNet, kind of all the frameworks you'll be getting in this deep learning internship bundle. This is the fifth course you'll be getting. And also you'll be having some Saturday live sessions and some hackathons will be conducted. And also those people who have enrolled yesterday, they have got an offer letter today. Same as like those people who are enrolling today, you'll be getting an offer letter tomorrow. So this personalized internship offer letter with a company name and the company branding and dear, your name will be printed. Start date and then end date will be mentioned. So this personalized internship offer letter also you'll be getting, and 3-month internship certificate also you'll be getting. And also some live sessions on mindset, and also some bonus live sessions like how to convert your skills into money, like freelancing live session or resume building live classes, and finance, how to manage your money effectively to understand about the stock market, mutual funds and those things, that finance live session, and how to set your goals effectively, that goal setting live classes, and interview skills live classes. Likewise, you'll be getting this all these bundle at just rupees of 1499 with a lifetime validity. So those people who haven't made the decision, my team have given the link in the live chat. You can just click that link and register for it right now, guys. And now I am ready to interact with you guys. Those people who have any questions, please ask your questions in the live chat. And from tomorrow, it won't be interactive because it is a recorded live session. So that's why those people who have any questions, please ask your questions in the live chat right now. I am really ready to answer you. Amazing, Sanjay. Forgotten about the time. Vinay Kumar. That's amazing. And love this, Sanjay, by Vinay, Sanjeev, and Sanjeev, Samantha, and Girish, and Gina. Thank you so much for all the people, guys. Kaushal, learn something new. That's amazing. Within a few short span of time, without boring you, I've given you some great content in a quality, in a quality way. I hope you really love this. If you really love this, you just post love this Sanjay in your chat. And those people who have enrolled, you'll be getting a complete lifetime access for the community and social medias, and you can attend some lot of live sessions. And this live recording also will be deleted once this live has been ended. So those people who need a recording, this 3-month online internship is the only chance to get into it. So those people who haven't made the decision still, go and make the decision and get into it, because this is the last and final chance to get into our Warriorsway community. Because this Warriorsway community is not only just to take a courses. We used to build a lot of projects and products under the field of artificial intelligence and etc. Because yesterday I think I've shown you this while talking about this self-driving robot. You can just imagine, whenever you're leaving the robot in bedroom, this robot will automatically reach the kitchen by itself. Is it amazing? Look how that this robot will automatically drive by itself and it will reach the kitchen by itself, will finding out the optimal direction. So this is one of the autonomous robot which we have created. And this is another where we have deployed the deep learning to do a human follower robot. So whenever I'm walking, this robot is going to detect me and it is going to follow me. This is the human follower robot which we have created, where we have deployed artificial intelligence in the hardware. So that's what experience you'll be getting. So you are not just going to learn in the Jupyter notebooks and write the code in the Jupyter notebooks. You'll be learning to deploy it in a real life. Even this is IoT. This is what actually electrical project. So look how the electrical project looks like, which is having a bulbs and signal conditioning circuits and transformers. Here the AI which has been deployed in this hardware, AI will make the decision whether it is low power consumption or high power consumption. So that is also another project which we have developed. So likewise, we guys have worked on a lot of real things. Those people who really wanted to learn from this type of company. So today is the last date. We are going to delete this live link. And we are going to delete this offer which has been provided at 1499, because actual price we are providing at 7,800 rupees. But those people who are registering right now, you'll be getting this huge bundle at 1499 with a lifetime validity. So those people who haven't made the decision, make the decision right now and tell me what is the reason is holding you back to not to register for the internship. Those reasons, put it in the live chat, so that if there is anything which I can help, we can help you. Okay. And another very important thing, my team will be giving you, that, what to say, it's like the upcoming live sessions on the remaining days, if you are a free participants. But those people who need a recording, this is the chance to get into our community, guys. Okay, Vinay Kumar, how will we know we are perfect to do a data analyst? I mean, how much we know about tools. Actually, if you have wanted to become a data analyst, you should be very good at SQL and Excel and Power BI, this tool skills, which is very, very important. Additionally, you need to have a business analysis skills, like how much understanding you have towards your business. That's also very important. So try to create 10 kind of dashboard and detailedly work on a project. First, master the skill. Don't try to like minimum, definitely it will take 3 months. But if you are dedicating properly on the 3 months to learn the skills, definitely which is going to be helpful for getting the job. But other than that, I hope you really enjoyed the session, guys. If you have really enjoyed the session, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. And from tomorrow, it is going to be recorded live session. That recorded live is not going to be conducted in this YouTube. It will be conducted in a different platform. So don't miss out this. And those people who have made the decision, great congratulations. Even today, a lot of people have made the decision. So I would like to shout out their names in the live. Wait a minute. So first of all, here we have the people. Wait a minute, it's loading. So yes, lot of people made the decision. That's amazing, guys. So here we have Sureka, congratulations. Sagu Kanti, congratulations. And Spurt, congratulations. And Sharif, congratulations. And here we have Remob, congratulations. And Sriram, congratulations. And Daneshwari, congratulations for making the decisions. And Namita made it, congratulations. And Gagan made it, congratulations. So great congratulations for those people who have made the decision, guys. So this is the last and final chance to get into your community and get all the 5 courses with a lifetime recording, with a lifetime validity at 1499. So those people who haven't made the decision, make the decision right now. Other than that, thank you so much once again for attending this kind of live session at Saturday evening. You are really, really special to us. So thank you so much once again for the love and the support and the positive comments which are given throughout the live session. Thank you so much once again for everything. And also from tomorrow, it's going to be a recorded live session. Don't miss out. I won't be there to do a direct interaction, but I'm the instructor. Don't worry. As per the commitment, 30 days free masterclass and also free certificate will be provided only if you're having minimum 25 days of attendance. Because from tomorrow, attendance link won't be there. Attendance will be automatically recorded by the tool. It will determine whether you have a eligibility criteria to get the certificate or not. That will be determined by the tool. So you should have minimum 25 days of attendance to get the free participation certificate. So other than that, I hope you really enjoyed today. Yes, Meghran already subscribed. That's amazing. Great. Congratulations. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much once again for the love and support which you are given. Preeti, thank you. And Vinay, thank you. And thank you, guys. Thank you so much once again for the love and support and the interaction and the way you have attended this session without missing a single time at the Saturday evening. That's really commendable. Thank you so much for attending it. So thank you so much once again. Do you conduct AI class? Yes, we'll be conducting AI class, but if you are registered for the internship, we'll be getting that course recording as well. So yeah, so that's what it's all about. And thank you guys. Thank you so much once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you inside our community, guys.